Hello, home cooks and sweet tooths. Today we're diving into a truly comforting classic, sticky date pudding. This dessert is pure warmth in a bowl, perfect for any occasion, and surprisingly simple to make. Get ready to impress everyone with this delightful treat. You'll need pitted dates, baking soda, boiling water, butter, sugar, eggs, flour, and a touch of vanilla for the pudding. For that irresistible sauce, grab more butter, brown sugar, cream, and a pinch of salt. Simple ingredients for incredible flavor. First, soak your chopped dates in boiling water with baking soda. This softens them beautifully. While they cool, cream together butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time, then stir in the date mixture and vanilla. Finally, gently fold in your flour until just combined. Pour into a prepared baking dish and bake until golden. Now for the star, the sticky toffee sauce. In a saucepan, melt butter and brown sugar together, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Then, pour in the cream and a pinch of salt. Bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring constantly until it thickens slightly. This rich, buttery sauce is what makes this pudding truly unforgettable. Once your pudding is out of the oven, let it cool slightly. Then, generously drench each warm slice with that glorious toffee sauce. Serve it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream for pure bliss. Enjoy your homemade sticky date pudding.